How does your immune system react to food allergens? Imagine your body as a busy city with an immune system acting as the security force. When it encounters a food protein it mistakenly thinks is dangerous, it springs into action. Normally, food proteins are broken down in your digestive system and accepted as harmless. But in food allergies, certain proteins called food allergens are seen as threats. Specialized immune cells called antigen-presenting cells process these allergens and show them to T helper cells, especially a type called Th2 cells. These Th2 cells releases signals called interleukins, which tell B cells to produce immunoglobulin E antibodies against the allergen. These antibodies then attach to mast cells and basophils, which are immune cells involved in allergic reactions. When you eat that food again, the allergen binds to the Ig on these cells, causing them to release chemicals like histamine, cytokines, and enzymes. This releases leads to symptoms like swelling, itching, hives, stomach pain, or even severe reactions like anaphylaxis. In some cases, your immune system learns to tolerate the food instead of reacting to it. This happens when regulatory T cells, or TREGs, come into play. These cells help suppress allergic responses by producing anti-inflammatory signals like interleukin-10. This process helps your body accept harmless food proteins without overreacting. The balance between developing allergies and building tolerance depends on how your immune system handles food proteins in your gut. Factors like whether the food is raw or cooked, the environment in your gut, and the bacteria living there all influence whether your immune system reacts or stays calm. Diagnosing food allergies often involves testing for specific Ig antibodies in your blood and watching for symptoms after eating certain foods. Understanding how your immune system responds helps doctors decide the best way to diagnose and treat allergies. Treatments like oral immunotherapy aim to change the immune response from an allergic Th2 type to a more tolerant one by increasing regulatory T cell activity and boosting other antibodies like immunoglobulin G4. This antibody can block the allergic reaction caused by immunoglobulin E. So, your immune system reacts to food allergens by producing Ig antibodies that sensitize mast cells and basophils, leading to allergy symptoms when you eat the food again. Sometimes, your immune system learns to ignore these proteins, thanks to regulatory cells that promote tolerance. This balance is what keeps your body healthy and free from unnecessary allergic reactions.